Hi guys. My name is Stenström, and I'm working at a front-end agency called Vinvera. Yeah, right. And we specialize in building front-end. And I'm going to talk about an article that was published about a year ago about that if a page isn't curlable, you're not going to be able to search for it on the web. And it also says to check it yourself, which made me realize that even though I agree with everything he wrote here, I actually don't know how it works. So I created this page to test, will this content be searchable? So every green block of text is added by JavaScript in one or another way. And then I've just been searching for it on the web. So the last sentence is indexed on a lot of search engines, and of course Wayback Machine is also important. And my assumption was pretty much what he wrote here, that if you can't curl it, you're not going to be able to search for it. So the first sentence I've been searching for is, I just Google this once in a while, and that's what I did. And Google finds it, Baidu finds it, DuckDuckGo finds it, and Yandex doesn't. Baidu doesn't either. So it's kind of true. If you, at least for some pretty big search engines, Bing works. So I wrote a couple of more tests. I'll jump to this one, which is, I tried to make it simpler to see if I could get all of the browsers to index it. At first, like Google is really fast at crawling a site, even if it's like one page that no one ever visits. DuckDuckGo, of course, works. It took a while for these two to index the site, though. Going to Yandex, I still doesn't find it. So I really can't figure out any way to make JavaScript simple enough for Yandex and Baidu to index it. Though in Sweden, I think Google has like 95% of the search market, so I would say you can kind of go for it. But we also have, I've been working with a company that is active in China, and they also claim that we get all our search traffic from Google, even though Baidu has like 90% of the market. So that just means that the site isn't very good, and not that Google is the driving factor. Okay, didn't mean to click that. So they have a lot to gain by just getting indexed by Baidu. To basically just, yeah, but yeah, in the end, you kind of just have to continue progressive enhance your site, which is, yeah, I'm kind of ill prepared. This was, but. Of course, there is a lot of more ways to get your site indexed than just having text on a page. You can use sitemaps and JSON LD and all of that trick. I haven't really care about that for this small test. But I just have one more test where I use different images for different screen sizes and have been trying to see if at least Google can find them, which everyone thought would be pretty interesting. Right. So we have one picture that's viewed for screen sizes between 900 pixels and 2000 pixels. And of course, Google finds it. I have a picture that's shown for below 900 pixels, which Google didn't find. I can't expect it to do that, but and if we can go up above 2000 pixels, a bit more. Right. It doesn't find it either. So if you have some kind of responsive image solution, I really can't say where the cutoff. It's not 2000, it's not 900 pixels, but there is some kind of cutoff width for when images will be indexed by Google. I can't say where or when, but it might be nice to know. And that's it. Thank you.